Ever dreamt of a versatile kitchen appliance that can do it all? Meet the COSORI, smart 12-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo. This is not your ordinary kitchen device. It's an innovation that pushes the boundaries of culinary possibilities. Imagine having 12 functions in one sleek black stainless steel appliance. Air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, and so much more. This is the freedom to explore, to save your preferred cooking time and temperature, to create dishes that are uniquely yours. But the COSORI Smart 12-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo is not just about variety, it's about capacity too. Its 26-quart or 25-litre oven can fit up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5-pound whole chicken. This is an appliance that can cater to the needs of the entire family, making every mealtime a feast to remember. And here's the clincher. This device lets you enjoy meals in minutes. With 6 heat elements, a 2-speed fan, and temperatures that can go up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can cook up to 30% faster than a traditional convection oven. Now, who wouldn't want that? But what makes this appliance truly smart? It's the ability to control it with just a tap on your smartphone. With the VSync app, you can make meals at the touch of a button. Or better yet, enjoy hands-free control of your toast oven by connecting it to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This is smart cooking literally at your fingertips. The COSORI Smart 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. It's more than a kitchen appliance, it's a culinary game changer. Why wait? Check the description or pin comment for the product link. Order yours today and transform your kitchen into a gourmet haven. Remember, stocks are limited,